Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry Stewart coming to you live right off of M32, just a couple yards from the freeway. We're waiting for the first aircraft to land here. We're told that it's an A-10 Thunderbolt. So I'm trying to get positioned so that you can actually witness this with us. This obviously is a historic event for the Alpena community. So let's hang tight just for a minute to see if we can see that aircraft land. And it looks like it is approaching. There you have it, the first one. And that is the first of 6 aircraft that will be landing on M32 here, a historic day for the community. This is a special landing exercise as part of Northern Strike. Several media here covering the event. We're here with other military personnel, of course, so that looks to be what they would consider a successful landing here. So that's, again, the first of 6 aircraft. That's an M10 Thunderbolt, we're told. And there will be a few more aircraft that will be landing today. So we wanted to get you some footage, live experience of the first one that's landed here right off of M32. And so we will come back with some more updates as the aircraft continue to take off and land. Again, Sherry Stewart, WBKB TV. Hey folks, this is Sherry Stewart with WBKB TV. This is a live look off of M32 in Alpena. You're looking now at an A-10 Thunderbolt. This is the first aircraft to land here on this stretch of highway. We understand that the aircraft will take off again in just a little bit, and we'll standing here waiting for the next aircraft to come through and land. But as it is now, we wanted to just give you another live look at this aircraft that has landed on M32. We want to show you too, across the highway, there are first responders waiting and prepared for any type of situation that would require their assistance. So they are, of course, standing at the ready. These are our local first responders that have been instrumental in helping with the preparation of this event. I'll pan over to the other side of the freeway, and you can see there is a staging area where we have other dignitaries. This, of course, is the media right behind me, but we also have, in this area here, we also have other stakeholders that are stationed watching this historic event unfold right here on M32. So again, this is an A-10 Thunderbolt is what I'm told. It looks like to be a successful landing, and so we're just waiting for it to take off. And as we understand it, there will be another aircraft coming through. We're advised that there will be 6 aircraft that will be taking off and landing on this stretch of highway today. So we're gonna head off for a minute, and we will come back live again when there is another aircraft that takes off and lands on this stretch of highway. This is Sherry Stewart reporting live for WBKB TV.
Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from WBKB News here. We're still here, Sherry Stewart and I, on M32 here at the landing exercises. We are currently waiting on the next plane to come in, and that is a C-146 Wolfhound that's going to be coming in, and we're just waiting for that to come down this portion of M32 here, and it'll come back around this way. See, we've got all media here, we've got everybody here behind us, but it'll come back this way here. So we're just waiting, and there's actually a looks like a service person driving on the road, so maybe they're just preparing again. But in just a few moments we'll be seeing that, so we'll make sure to go live again and let you all see that come down M32. We'll be back in just a few moments, okay guys?
This is Sherry Stewart reporting live off of M32. You just witnessed the third of 6 aircraft that are supposed to practice landing here off of M32. We're just waiting, as this aircraft will take off in just a few more minutes. So we'll stay positioned on this shot until this one takes off. This is Sherry Stewart coming to you live from M32. This is going to conclude our live Facebook coverage